Hey guys, welcome to VTech Bros channel. So Realme X2 has launched with some quite features with a great price in December 2019. So is this phone is good to buy in 2020? So let's check it out. So let's start with the design. It has a glass sandwich design with Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and back, and it's not too thick and not too slim. So coming to the display, it has a 6.4 Super AMOLED display with a water drop notch style. Talking about its performance, it features Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor, which is based on 8nm processor, and by the way it is a gaming processor. So my variant is about 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM, which handles every task very easily, and its day-to-day performance is very smooth. It runs on the latest Android 10 and Realme UI version 1.0, and very soon it will also get Realme UI version 2.0 based on Android 11. So talking about the battery performance, it has a 4000 mAh battery with 30-watt VOOC fast charging, which charges my phone easily in 90 minutes, and it lasts for a whole day, leaving a 50% battery charge at the end of the day. So why are leaving the cameras now? So let's talk about cameras. Talking about the cameras, it has a quad rear camera with a 64 MP megapixel primary sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and the rest of 2 which is useless, such as macro and depth, which consists of 2 megapixels. Now moving toward the selfie, it has a 32 megapixel selfie camera which takes not too sharp but not to the worst pics. Here are some sample shots. So overall, talking about this phone, in 2020 it has some quite good features with a proper 7 series processor and a massive 4000 mAh battery with a quite decent fast charging out of the box, and impressive storage for overall media and applications. So it was just a small review about this mid-range device, and if anybody is deciding to buy this on 2020, they can go for it if they want to use the device up to 2 years. So that's it for now. Thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, and do follow on my Twitter handle, so where I post a lots of leak about the upcoming phones from all the companies like iPhone, Samsung, Realme, Redmi and all. So thanks for watching.